Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Weebly step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Weebly website. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. Fill in the necessary information such as your email address, password, and site name. After entering your details, click on the Create Your Site button. Once registered, you will be directed to your Weebly dashboard. To connect a domain, click on the Settings tab located in the left sidebar. Select Domains from the Settings menu. Here, you can choose to buy a new domain or connect an existing one. To connect an existing domain, click on Connect Domain. Enter your domain name in the provided field and click Next. Log into your domain registrar account where your domain is registered. Find the DNS management section within your registrar's dashboard. Update your records to point to Weebly's IP address. If Weebly provides name records, add those as well for proper configuration. Once you have updated the DNS settings, return to Weebly. Click on the I've updated my records button in the domain settings. It may take some time for the changes to propagate. After propagation, your domain will be successfully connected to Weebly. You can now customize your site further using Weebly's built-in tools. Explore the design options to create your desired layout. Publish your site once you are satisfied with the changes. You are now ready to share your Weebly site with the world. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.